only order of the year, so please take advantage of that. Perfect match with this adorable top. I've never seen this before. I think it's only been on once or twice, and now we are at the lowest price we've ever offered it. It is $34. This starts out with the 60% cotton, 40% poly blend that so many people love within this line. It is durable, it lasts, it's breathable, and it's so soft. For $35, if we just stopped there with these fun colors, it would be a winner in my book. But then look at all of the embroidery that you're getting and the little kiss of sparkle for $35. Used to be $56. We've taken $21 off the price. Again, lowest price we've ever offered it. Extra, extra small through 3X. All 7 reviews are 5 stars. I'm going to read you a couple of those in just a moment. This is the pink fruit. So we're getting all of that delicious, like I just want to take a bite of that juicy watermelon right now. And the cherries and the strawberries and the oranges. I mean, their work is so incredibly perfection. And that's what everybody talks about. Here we have grass green beach. So we've got the beach chair and the umbrella and the hibiscus and the starfish. And then Americana. I had to go with the light navy Americana. This is going to be so fun when you are ready for those patriotic holidays. In fact, one says, I wore it yesterday. On the 4th, I got lots of compliments. So that is the light navy Americana, grass green beach, and finally pink fruit. A charge on a credit card of less than $12. It is on its way to you, and you're going to love it. I'm 5'2", and I am in the extra small, and the fit is just fantastic.
Yeah, that fabric is amazing. It's 60% cotton, 40% polyester, a nice soft V-neck, which we want when we have those Americana holidays in the dead heat of summertime. Little short sleeve there. I'm wearing a different top that is available from Quacker, but you know, this top is so great because, you know, we've been doing novelty with motifs and themes for 3 decades at QVC. We just celebrated our 30th anniversary of the first appearance that Jean had on QVC back in 1995. And, you know, our line is all about fun and whimsy, but we also bring you really beautiful quality. So the motifs on this t-shirt are a combination of embroidery and sequins. And, you know, they're scattered to make it look fun and whimsical, but they are embroidered through and through. And then you have that sequin detail, just giving it that little hint of a glimmer. Almost like, you know, when you're in the grocery store and you go to the vegetable section, you know, the fresh vegetables, and the refrigerator has just misted the vegetables, and they have that little glisten, that little gleam. I know you were wondering, where is she going with this?
No, I knew exactly where you were going. There's that little sheen.
That little sheen. It just adds a little extra something special, and that's what we love to do in Quacker Factory. And, you know, we do a lot of beach themes. You know, pretty much everybody on our team loves all things beachy. And so you have your hibiscus, you have your starfish, the beautiful chair to sit and enjoy or read a book. Yes, the palm tree. Hello.
Oh, it's taking me away. Forgive me for a moment. Popsicle.
Yep. Coffee mug I'm drinking out of this morning, Terry says, beach, please.
Beach, please. Oh. Yeah, if you say it with a different intonation, it's a totally different mug.
Yeah, I know.
Beach
That's
ball.
the way I said it.
Beach, please. And then Americana. Okay, can we stop and appreciate all of the fun here? This is what I particularly come to Quacker Factory for. I always say if I was a teacher, I would wear only Quacker Factory because it is so fun to celebrate all of the holidays, all of the fun things that we have to look forward to here. If you're around children a lot, wear Quacker Factory, bring them joy. They always love it. And this is the place to come. And this is the time to get it, especially at a clearance price. Okay, so come what's the next patriotic holiday?
Memorial
Day.
Well,
this will not be here anymore. Oh yeah, President's
Day and then Memorial Day.
And we got the little hat there for President's Day. So, I mean, throughout, and you don't have to wait for a holiday to wear you know, to be patriotic, of course. But this is the brand to get it from, and this is the day to get it, because with a clearance price, and this is the first day on a clearance price, so you're the first to see it and get what I like to call first dibs on color and size, particularly if you were going after that Americana. This is the first day. So we've taken $21 off the price. $35 for this quality of a t-shirt without the embroidery, again, I'll say it again, is fantastic. Their embroidery with this brand is so exquisite and well done. For $35, I would be maybe considering all three, because you could really do that today on an easy payment plan. Now, if you want the Americana, we have 200 remaining. So that won't be there by Memorial Day. Pink Fruit, 450 remain. And Green Grass Beach, 400 remain. Over 500 orders have been placed. I'm so happy for you. You're going to love it. A 647655 is your item number. Angel, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, my friend. I hope to see you soon.
Me too. So that top and the dream jeans would be